Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. How y'all are today on this Good Friday? Alright, we got the cook here. My better half, Miss Missy.
How y'all doing?
Good Friday, like I said, and we doing a crawfish, kind of a hybrid style between a stew and a étouffée or courtbouillon. Okay, we got all our ingredients right here, and we fixing to throw everything in the pot. And I want to give a shout out to 3 people. Gators World, my Canadian cousin up in Canada, Frenchie up there, his daughter Sylviane.
Got onion, bell pepper.
We got onions,
celery,
bell pepper, celery, parsley up in there. His Gators World daughter, Sylviane, farmer chick. Y'all go check them out on their YouTube channel. Gators World. That's the daddy's channel. Sylviane, farmer chick. That's his daughter's channel. And then Food for Dan. That's his son's channel. And he made a gumbo a while back on a YouTube video on Gators World's channel. Okay, we got the crawfish in there. We got all the seasonings. We got a small can of tomato sauce going in there. Not tomato paste, tomato sauce. Then we're going to have a can of Rotel. I think it's the mile. I hope it is.
Yeah, it's not hot.
Okay. Yeah. Well, even the mile's a little spicy for some people. Got all that going in there. This is almost like a courtbouillon style.
It's gonna be good.
Sylviane was asking me and Missy how to make that shrimp sauce we had. And this is it right here, except we're doing it with some crevettes. You know, Good Fridays before Easter. The jour de pop. So, and then she's going to add some little cooking oil in there. I don't know if that was a tablespoon or not. I doubt it.
I just let it drip.
Didn't even look like a teaspoon. She said a drip. And then we got some.
What about a teaspoon? No,
She's gonna let this cook down, which we're gonna watch this for a few minutes. Now a little bit of water. And yes, that black pot was hot. It was hot. It wasn't cherry red hot, but it was hot. I had it on low. Let me check that.
Then I should let it cook.
Okay. Yeah, I got it up a little bit. She had a little bit of water there. I'm going to say that was about 1.5 cups of water.
Just
about.
Over the crawfish.
About. Yeah, just enough to kind of cover all the seasonings and the crawfish a little bit there. You know, letting them float a little bit. And then later on, we're going to be putting some Carrie's roux in there. Yeah, right up the road from me in Ville Platte, Louisiana.
And some flour.
So, you know, certified Cajun.
And flour.
That's for sure. Oh, yeah. Can't forget about this, too. Got to give a shout out to my cousin out there. Paul and Russell Marks at Cajun 101.1. This is their seasoning. And this is what we use also. Louisiana proud. If y'all want some of them seasoning, get some mail to y'all just get a hold of me. And I'll get y'all in contact. Or y'all go to kbon101.com, 101.1fm.com, and they'll mail them out to y'all. It's not much for a can of it, and they ship it to you. You know, if you're out of the state, that's the one to buy. If you're out of state, that's the one to buy. Don't get the other ones. Slap Your Mama's good, but that's kind of hot. K-Bone is neutral, but it's full of flavor. It's got a little tang to it, but it's got a lot of flavor. Cajun cooking is about flavor, not heat. Okay? So, I see we're in 4.5 minutes on this video now, so
Part 2.
there's going to be a part 2 on this for sure. Okay, what you going to do now, Miss Missy?
That's it. I just got to let it cook.
Okay, she's going to let that cook down. How long are you going to let it simmer for and all that?
About 40 minutes before this.
Okay, 35, 40 minutes. Let that simmer with the lid on. And what you do, instead of stirring it, you can lift it. And then you can do this. right here. You can just twist the pot instead of stirring it. That'll keep it from sticking on the bottom, like a coubillon style. Or you can stir it with a spoon if you want. It doesn't matter because it's not a true coubillon anyway. Like that, like she's doing now. Well, alright. What you gonna do? You gonna throw the cover on that?
Yep.
Yep. She's gonna throw the cover on that, the couvert.
Just a little crack.
And leave a little crack in there like that. And then I'll download this video, edit it a little bit, you know, put the information on it, and then I'm gonna do part 2. Alright. We'll catch y'all plus tard.